to pay with Klarna on SHEIN. Follow my instructions. Klarna lets you shop now and pay later. And SHEIN supports Klarna as a payment option in many countries. Here's how to use it for your next fashion haul. First, open the SHEIN app or go to shein.com. Browse and add your favorite items to the shopping bag. When you're done, tap Checkout. Fill in your shipping details and confirm your order summary. On the payment page, look for Klarna Pay Later and select it. You may also see Pay in 4 inches or Pay in 30 days, depending on your location. Log into your Klarna account or create one if you're new. Follow the prompts to confirm your payment plan. Once approved, Klarna will pay SHEIN instantly, and you'll pay Klarna later. Remember, make your Klarna payments on time to avoid fees. And check Klarna's terms for your region before choosing this option. That's how to pay with Klarna on SHEIN easily and stylishly. Thanks for watching.